Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to pin element to screen for specific page in Wix website. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor and this is our contact page. So we are going to pin element for contact page. So you can add any element. On left side you see add element. So click on it. Now you see multiple elements, widgets. So you can add according to requirement. So first we are going to add button widget element. So we are going to pin to screen button. Now you see multiple button layout. So drag and drop here. So you can select button according to requirement. So we select this, drag and drop here. Now button added and then right click on it and then you see multiple option and then you see pin to screen. So click on it and then you see pin to screen. If you want you can unpin this element. Now you see set position. You can set position horizontal, vertical according to requirement. Now you see right, left, top and then you see horizontal offset, vertical offset. Now close and then you see some instructions. So click on learn more and then you see this Wix editor, pin element in the mobile editor. So you can read this instruction. Now you see pin element in the mobile editor can be unhidden but are no longer pinned on your mobile site. Now back to button. Now close. So this is our button. Right click on it. So we are going to display this button on contact page only. So you can do setting according to requirement. Again right click. Now you see multiple option. So you can add button text or link according to requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. So we are in contact page and then you see button pin on screen on desktop layout. Now you see. So when we scroll up, scroll down, you see button is pin on screen and this button only display on contact page only. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.